An airplane has three basic movements: pitch, roll, and yaw. Pitch is the motion of a plane as its nose moves up or down. Roll is a plane's motion when one wing dips lower than the other. Yaw is a plane's motion as the nose turns left or right. Pitch, roll, and yaw are controlled by the pilot using controls inside the cockpit. These controls include the yoke or stick and the rudder pedals. To make a plane pitch, the pilot uses the yoke to raise or lower the elevator. When the yoke is in its normal position, the elevator is in a neutral position, and the plane flies straight and level. Pushing the yoke forward lowers the elevator and causes the airplane's nose to pitch downward. Pulling back on the yoke raises the elevator and makes the nose pitch upward. The pilot also uses the yoke to control the ailerons, which make the plane roll. To make the plane roll or bank to the left, the pilot turns the yoke to the left. This action raises the left aileron and lowers the right one. Turning the yoke to the right lowers the left aileron and raises the right, which causes the plane to bank to the right. The pilot uses the rudder pedals to control the airplane's rudder and make the plane yaw. Pushing on the left pedal swings the rudder to the left, causing the plane's nose to swing left. Pushing on the right pedal swings the rudder and nose to the right. Another important control, the throttle, controls the engine power and speed. The pilot uses the cockpit controls and the airplane's three basic movements to perform all maneuvers. For example, to make a left turn, the pilot presses down on the left rudder pedal to make the plane yaw to the left. Turns the yoke to the left to raise the left aileron to roll to the left. Pulls up on the yoke to raise the elevator and lift the nose. And pushes the throttle forward to increase engine power. The pilot makes all these movements at the same time to accomplish a left turn.